Hi guys. Okay. So we're in Minecraft. I'm dying right now. Oh no. Wait, did I find something? Hold on, what the heck is this? Hold on, I just want to do an epic walking scene. Da-na-na-na. Da. Yo, this place was wrongly made. Why are they there like that? Why are Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You know I hate you guys. I'm at half a heart, bro. I need a totem. Why would you do that? Do I need to get closer to hit you? Oh really, you wanna play that game? Yeah, you guys stupid. You can't hit me, but I can hit you. How stupid you gotta be to let me do that? Is there anything here to let me heal? There's some armor I want to need, and there's lots of gold. Hold on. That just makes a whole stack of gold. What the heck? Boom, bop, 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 bop. I need something to heal, bro. Is there anything that could come in clutch? Yo, there is so much good stuff here. This place is goated. I don't need that. I don't know why that's in the chest. This is just a bunch of junk that I won't need. I would like to know where I'm at though. So I guess the empty locator map could come in clutch. Okay, so this thing's completely black. And wait, what does it look like that? But right here it looks like this. Okay, whatever. There's more monsters? Bro, I'm gonna die from that fall anyways. Guys, don't watch this. I'm totally not doing anything. Okay, now I got a bed, so I could just die to get my health back. Respawn point set. Okay, now I can. Hi guys, kill me! No! Ooh! You better not take any. Of course that happens. Of course I spawn right there. Why do I keep on spawning right there? Please! Please, guys, somebody help me! No. Please! Please! You know what, bro, guys, I don't care. I don't care at this point, bro. I'm gonna glitch, bro. Guys, I'm not cheating, totally not. I'm just... Okay, guys, I didn't grab anything, so it's fine. I just, like... I'm trying to beat the game, so I want to find the end dimension instead of doing this. It went that way? It went that way. So that's where the end dimension is? Guess I need a pickaxe, though. Maybe we could find a pickaxe in here? I don't know. Zombies need to die. Nobody told me what skeletons are here. I hate you guys. Why are you guys here? You don't deserve to live. Yeah, mister, you're scared now, right? Yeah. Is there anything in this chest? A black key? Okay, I don't need this stone stuff. Oh. How do I break this? We need something in the chest that... No, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. Is there a pickaxe? Huh? Wait, is there one? Oh, is there one? Oh, there's only one in here. No, I need to break this too so things don't spawn. Locked? Hold on, is that what the black key is for? Is that what the black key is for? Yeah! Oh, I can't open the other one. Oh! Yeah, we got all the stuff, boys. We got all of it. We got all the stuff, boys. We got these enchanted apples. A tote, bro. I'm living the life. I'm actually living the life, but I need to create a block. Well, this I could for sure make a block. Maybe I should have used that 9 wood up there. Hold on. No, there's no wood up there. 9 wood. Craft the... Actually, am I stupid? I'm doing that for no reason. Can I just use this to... There, get myself up. I hate you, dude. Just go away. Hold on, can I do this? What do I need the crafting table? Because we could... Yeah, I need a stick for that, though. Hold on, can't we just do this? Boom. Craft some sticks. And then use the... golden pickaxe. Then boom, combine everything quicker. As soon as you combine this spotter... And this spotter, I actually want more levels, so let's max up our XP. Okay. That's enough. Pretty sure that's enough. I used the whole these guys. Now I can win the Blackstones. Go. Also, are these like custom doors? This could have been made by Minecraft since they don't have these keys and stuff. Who the heck made this, bro? Well, anyways, now we know Mojang didn't make it. Let's test out our new maze. Hold on, I actually said I got that, so I could like test out my actual new maze. I got everything from the chest. My thing is just filled with loot. I'm gonna need a bundle. I don't want to hit the play guy. And wait, we could actually. Why is this stuff for pigs? That's weird. Hold I'm just gonna put everything I don't need in here. What? It ain't Christmas. I'm getting something for Christmas. What the heck is that there? I'm not getting cool for Christmas. That was rude. But let's test out end of world. Oh, that's fun. Huh? What's... Yo. Yo. Okay. Let's go find somebody to test it on. Oh, I didn't do it perfectly. Can you guys please, like, stay here so I don't die? Stay here! Oh, just blasting them away. Oh, sadly, I'm gonna have to trap you to... No. You better not walk the other way. Better not walk the other way. You stay here. You better not say, but why? Because I told you to. Stay right there. Stay right there. Give me a second. Okay, maybe I don't deserve anything for Christmas. I'm gonna craft some gold blocks. Gold. Now I'm rich all because of who made this. Thank you, whoever made this. Now I can flex my gold blocks on the armadillo. Hey, armadillo, where'd you go? You're gonna be my next trap then. Can I get him on a block before this? Boom! Yeah, that's better. Now I can trap it. Boom! Boom! Yo, stay over there! Boom! Now I can kick you like a soccer ball. Kick! 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 Woo! Now you're stuck in there, buddy. Oh, Boom! Ah! No, I didn't mean to punch you. I didn't mean to punch you, little guy. Oh, really? You want me to touch this on you? Oh. No! Yeah, at least I respawned at the bed. I'm getting my materials back though. Where did my materials go? I'm really going this far for my materials. Yes, I am. Please! I hate this. How does this still work when you died already? Somebody explain it. Now it's not done by me because I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm right. I am dead. Oh, no. Oh no. Nobody's following me. Why is it super late over here? Is there like lava down here? Anyways, what's the story? Have golden apples on you. I had golden apples.
I had golden apples. I couldn't eat those. I was about to eat those. But of course the skeleton kills me first. 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 You know, this skit wasn't supposed to be too long, but whatever. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go find, like, get away from me. I should have had to keep inventory out. Such a long cave. Excuse me, guys. Sorry for going in the wrong cave. Oh, never mind. Not the wrong cave. 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 But I got like half the things. I didn't get what I needed, bro. That's the sad part about life. You never get what you need. You better shut up, whoever actually said that, because that was totally not me. Ender Pearl, that's not fair. Also, I probably lost all my items. Yay! Get away from me. I want to be sad by myself. Get away from me. I want to be sad by myself. Get away from me. I want to be sad by myself. Let me be sad by myself. Diamonds. You see, I had an iron pickaxe, I think. But now I don't. Because I had a gold pickaxe, but now I don't. Because those guys killed me. So that's wonderful. That's splendid. Wonderful and splendid. I hate mobs. You know what? I'm so mad that I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. I'm killing all mobs. I'm killing all mobs. Killing all mobs. I'm killing all mobs. First, let me get out of here. And then I'm killing all the mobs. How big is this cave? Ender Pearl. Okay, bro. I'm killing all the mobs. We're finally back. Ooh. And hold on. Are these actually my items? My items! My items! I never thought I would see my items! I never thought I would see some of my items. Barely any of my items. My gosh. No, I don't have to kill you guys. And I could just go back to survival mode. Except that's really what you thought I would do. But first, let me get safe. And I'm raging now. Slash kill E. Oh, hold on, I died too. But yeah, we got everybody. My mace, my own items died. And these guys aren't dead. You better die. Slash kill at E. You know what? I'm too mad. I'm too mad, bro. You only want to do it? Then guess what I'm about to do? Guess what I'm about to do? Slash kill fifth. 15, 5, 7. TNT. Everybody, say goodbye. Friends. Boom. My game's probably gonna lag, but it's fine or whatever. Die! 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 Oh! 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 And then there goes my Ender City. That's what I called it. My Ender City. Not my Ender City. My Ender Temple, bro. My Ender Temple. My Ender Temple. Ah. And everybody's still not dead. Slash do. Game rule do mob. Hold on. Do mob spawning false. Boom. Now I'm killing everybody.